So a 12-foot ladder is placed against a building. If the base of the ladder is 3 feet away from the building, how far up the building will the ladder reach? So don't, it's not usually good to climb up a ladder where the end is right up against the building, but whatever. That's kind of what they want on this. So round the answer to the nearest tenth of a foot. Okay, so let's draw this out, see if we can use some technology. So this is a building right here, and then we're going to take a ladder. Let's see, a ladder, and lean it against the building. And then, of course, at the bottom here, you'd have the ground, something like this. Okay. So the purple's the ladder, we got the building in black, and then the ground that's green. And then they say, well, it's a 12-foot ladder. Okay, so this is 12 feet right here. And the ladder, the base of the ladder is 3 feet away from the building. So that's this distance right here, 3 feet. So what we're missing is the height of the building. How far up the building will the ladder reach? So this is the setup. And hopefully we see at this point that we have a right angle right here between the ground and the building. Hopefully it's a right angle. But again, if you're like, yeah, but no one would really put if they're going to climb all the way up onto the top of this roof, that they're going to put the end of the ladder right here, because if there's soffits or something like that, then it could fall in there and then you injure yourself. That's no good. Don't worry about it. Don't make it overcomplicated, okay? So now that we got that set up, let's go ahead and take a look at our Pythagorean theorem. And in this setup is the 3 a leg or a hypotenuse? It's a leg. Is the 12 a leg or a hypotenuse? It's a hypotenuse. We're going to make a 12 right there. Okay, so we're going to take 3 squared plus the other leg as a square should equal the hypotenuse as a square. Now, I put leg right there. If you said, yeah, but you used x over here, and shouldn't you use x right here? You can. It doesn't matter. It means the same thing. They're both variables. We don't know what they are yet. So let's go ahead and put this in. So 3 squared is going to give us 9. 12 squared is 144. So now I got 9 plus the leg squared equals 144. Continuing to solve. Let's go and subtract 9 from both sides. That'll be 135 there. Zero that out. Now I've just got a leg squared equals 135. So of course, to get rid of that square, we're going to square root both sides. And this will leave us with the leg. And yeah, we'll just put this in the calculator. Square root 135, enter. Oh, here it is again. It says your leg, exactly, is 3 times the square root of 15. And of course, this would be in feet. So this would be the exact answer, but they did say, please round this to the nearest tenth. No problem. So double arrow button above my enter button, and it gives me the decimal. So this would have gave me 11.618. And I only wanted to the nearest tenth, so I don't really need any more. Of course, this is going to be in feet. So let's see. The tenth is the 6th. To the right is a 1. So it will remain a 6. So the final leg here is 11.6 feet. So that building would be, assuming that the ladder goes to the very top, is 11.6 feet tall, or that 12-foot ladder is reaching 11.6 feet high. You decide.